Today we're going to be taking the 2025 Surron Ultra Bee up a trail that never gets ridden. We'll see how it is. I came down it the other day. We're going to try to go up. I got the 18 on the back, 21 on the front, 54 tooth sprocket. Let's see how it goes. Right now I'm only sitting at 54%. We're going to go up in sport mode. Well, I think I went the wrong way. Now, if I would have had the 19-inch tire, I totally would have wrecked right there. I don't know if it'd have come through on camera, but that was a pretty big log. Hard to beat that view though. I came back to show everybody that log I hit right here. I definitely would have wiped with the 19s. Right around here and see if I can't get a better shot of it. Oh yeah. right here. I'm gonna move that for next time. Set that park brake. Alright, I'm going to try to see how much air I can get off this little jump. It really doesn't have a great lip. It's in the middle of the trail, but we'll see. Trying to make sure nothing's coming. It's a decent little jump. All right, I took off right here. I think I actually made it up into here. It's just probably really hard to see on the camera. You can never tell how much air you're getting on camera. Yeah, right there's my back tire mark. Probably hard to see. Yeah, I'm down to 35%. Time to head home. You know, before I end the video, I just want to say I'm a huge fan of the Ultra Bee. It's honestly just a fun bike to ride. You know, I've never rode a Start Varg or any other electric bike for that matter, but I'd love to one day. But for what you get with the Ultra Bee, you know, I ordered mine off of Alibaba. I know some people judge that a little bit, but $5,000, and it's been solid. I think I've got 600 miles on mine just in the past 3 months that I've had it, and I've had 0 issues. Had a flat, but that was on me. I let too much air out of my inner tube, but honestly, I've had 0 issues with anything else. Bug flew in my mouth.